Alright, see you later. Like when you're dead. I mean. Here we go. Ready? This is it. It's crazy.
It feels good.
Alright, so we're here at this one little small waterfall thing. Miles comes up here today. We're kind of we're like trying not to die. Really strong current. I'm gonna get some footage with the GoPro right now.
Trust your feet.
What?
Alright, so we just got done with the falls, ouch. And now we're walking to the cliffs. We were here like a month ago, half a month, I don't know, a while ago with Ethan and Miles. Frick, my feet really hurt. Okay, well there's no, okay. I feel broke. Alright, so we made it to the cliffs. One jump.
Oh my god! Dang. That
Nice.
was really good.
You ready?
Yeah.
Don't die. Oh my god. John, do you want to go? Make sure you jump
Nice.
out. You gotta jump out.
Wildin'.
Kind of where.
Let's do it.
Hey.
Let's go film a nature documentary.
We are.
So, we over here, you know, fooling.
I'm like cooling.
We're filming for the vlog. Yep.
Yeah. Hey, shout out
I'm a judge
Cryptic
too.
Wolf. He's really good at Destiny too.
This feels really wiggly.
Wanna make it fall?
Yeah.
Wait, yeah, see.
Oh.
Tip it over. Standing there. Ooh, we should.
Throw rocks.
Hey, Joe. Say hi to the vlog. Stop.
Ready, set.
Oh, you're getting there.
Okay, well now we're just too short. Walk up, walk up.
Don't get on me. Okay, good. Now, me and Pam will hold it. You guys come up to this one.
What? Lift it.
Ready?
Yeah.
One. Eric, get a hold.
Wait.
Come on, guys! Almost there.
Stop yelling, John.
Just go! Go!
Okay, that was so dumb.
That's not moving anymore. Now we need to
People lift it down there now.
A
We
break.
made a slide.
Here, guys, move out. Come to this side.
Ow!
There you go.
Alright, see you later. Like when you're dead. I mean.
Here we go. Ready? This is it.
It's crazy.
He's dead.
Did you hit the ground? Nope. That was crazy. My foot smacks the water so hard.
Yeah, it's like that.
What's up, vlogs? Hey, man.
Hey.
Is it filming right now?
I don't know.
Hey.
Oh, Jesus!
That was not a flip.
Chester!
That was the brokest flip ever.
Alright, so we just got done with the cliff jumping. And Miles should be at my cabin by now. Not 100% sure. You know, we'll see where it goes, but like